Stop creating copies of your parts and later just doing a replace just for continue working on your assembly. Now you can just click this part on the Assemble ribbon tab. You can go in these menus and click Save and Replace. By doing that, what you're going to do is to create a copy of the part. Let's say I'm going to name this with an A, and the software automatically replace the part, and all the mates and everything are going to be consistent. So as you already notice, for example, let's say, let me make here a huge hole. This part and this part used to be the same, but now with this quick copy, I were able to continue designing this other part that is not exactly or not anymore same part. How about that? Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.